Guys, what's up? Today I will show you how to fix sound problem on Google Gemini. The solution is very easy, just you have a glitch and we need to fix it. Open first your settings of your device. Click at apps option now and search for Google Gemini and click. You will see now this list. Go click on storage option, click clear cache, and right now back, click on force stop and click OK. You go after that to Play Store or App Store, update Gemini, restart your phone when you are done, and that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.